The second most question I get asked right after what gear do I use isn't about taking photos, it's about collecting them. After 20 years as a photographer and 10 years exhibiting in galleries and art fairs, I'm going to show you exactly how to start collecting fine art photography, avoid common mistakes, and make smart investments that you love living with. Whether you're looking to invest $500 or $50,000, understanding how to collect photography is crucial. And here's something many people don't realize. Some of the most valuable photographs today were originally sold for just a few $100s. But before you start collecting, there are 5 key things you need to understand. Let's start with something that often confuses new collectors: editions and print mediums. Unlike paintings, photographs can be printed multiple times and on various materials. Let me break this down for you. First, let's talk about editions. When you see a number like 3 out of 10 on a print, that means it's a third print in an edition of 10. Limited editions with just 1 to 10 prints usually command the highest prices. Medium editions of 11 to 25 prints offer a sweet spot of value. Larger editions of more than 25 prints are typically more accessible for new collectors. Let's now dive into the different types of prints you'll encounter in the market. This is crucial because the printing medium affects not just the look, but also the value and longevity of your investment. Traditional fine art prints include silver gelatin prints, the classic black and white process that's been used for over a century. Then there are chromogenic prints, which are traditional color photographs. Most recently, we have archival pigment prints, which are high quality digital prints, and alternative processes like platinum prints. Now let's talk about 2 contemporary print mediums that are gaining popularity: metal prints and canvas prints. Here's what you need to know about each. Metal prints, where images are infused directly into aluminum, offer stunning clarity and vibrance. They're incredibly durable, resistant to moisture, and don't require additional framing. However, there's something important to consider. While metal prints are excellent for contemporary spaces and commercial installations, they're still establishing their place in the fine art market. Currently, traditional print collectors often prefer paper-based mediums for investment purposes. Canvas prints, on the other hand, bridge the gap between photography and painting. They offer a unique textural quality and can work beautifully in both traditional and modern spaces. But here's what many people don't realize about canvas prints: their value in the fine art market often depends heavily on the artist's intention and the edition size. Some photographers specifically compose their work for canvas presentation, which can make these pieces more valuable than the same image on traditional paper. When collecting either metal or canvas prints, pay special attention to these factors. 1 is the production quality and process. 2, edition size. 3, the artist's intended display medium. Longevity and care requirements, and authenticity certification. This brings us to something crucial. Before you spend any money, you need to know how to verify authenticity and assess the condition. Here's a checklist for you. 1. Always look for the artist's signature. Check the edition number and make sure it matches what's advertised. 3. Verify the date of printing. This is especially important for historical works. Always get a certificate of authenticity and make sure you have proper gallery documentation. For contemporary mediums, proper documentation is especially important. Make sure you have a certificate of authenticity, detailed production specifications, care instructions, edition verification, artist statement about the chosen medium. Now, where do you actually buy the photographs? I'll rank the options from most to least risky. 1. Established galleries are your safest bet. They stake the reputation in every piece they sell, and art fairs can also be excellent places to discover new artists and galleries. Auction houses offer a wide range, but you need to know exactly what you're looking for. Online platforms have made art more accessible, but require extra due diligence. And buying direct from artists can be rewarding, but make sure they're established or represented by galleries. Now let's talk about investment. While you should always buy what you love, and that's something I strongly believe in, here are the factors that typically affect value. The artist's reputation and career stage is crucial. Next, edition size and number matter significantly. Earlier numbers and smaller editions typically hold more value. The print date is important. Vintage prints often command premium prices. Condition and provenance can make or break value. Historical significance can dramatically impact price over time. When it comes to investing metal or canvas prints, consider these additional factors. The artist's reputation for working in these mediums, the appropriateness of the image for the medium, the display environment, the printer's reputation and quality standards, potential for long-term value appreciation. For those just starting out, here are my top tips. Start with smaller purchases to build your confidence. Focus on emerging artists where prices are more accessible. Always buy from reputable sources. This isn't the place to hunt for bargains. Get everything in writing. Every detail matters. Invest in proper framing to protect your investment. Learn about conservation to maintain value. Remember, every great collection starts with a single piece. Whether you choose traditional papers, metal, or canvas, focus on photographs that move you. But use the guidelines we've discussed to make informed decisions. I've created a free guide to collecting fine art photography in the form of a PDF that includes everything we covered today, including specific sections on metal and canvas prints, plus additional resources. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how to spot emerging photography talent and build relationships with galleries. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and happy collecting.